Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the presentation of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Hindi po ito yung piyesta ng the presentation of the Lord, which we celebrate every February 2. Ang pinagdiriwang natin ngayon ay yung si Maria ay dinala sa templo. Mary was presented to the Lord in the temple. And perhaps this event did not actually happen because historically, women were not presented in the temple. At maaari na itong pagdiriwang natin ngayon, ang basihan ay yung dedication of a basilica in Jerusalem in honor of the Blessed Virgin Mary that happened on November 21, 543. But symbolically, the basilica represents the church and Jerusalem represents the heavenly Jerusalem. And so I like the idea that this feast day is actually the celebration of the church being presented to the heavenly Jerusalem, to heaven. And so what we have in our readings for today are about the temple. In the gospel reading today, Jesus is angry. And this is what we call righteous anger. Nagalit si Jesus dahil yung tahanan ng Ama, ng Diyos, ayon sa salita ni Jesus, dapat ay house of prayer, but people made it as a house of thieves, a den of thieves. Kaya si Jesus nagalit, and isa itong magandang paalala at turo ng Diyos sa atin na magalit tayo sa kasalanan, sa kasamaan. Hindi sa ating kapwa, pero yung hindi maganda, kamuhian natin ng kasalanan. At magalit tayo sa masamang nangyayari sa mundong ito. Huwag nating gawing normal ang paggawa ng masama. Kaya po, isa rin paalala sa atin na hindi gusto ng Diyos na maging madumi tayo. Tayo ang templo ng Diyos at ayaw ng Diyos. Galit ang Diyos pag dinudumihan natin ang kanyang templo, tayong kanyang simbahan. Sa ating unang pagbasa ngayon, we have the beautiful image of the church being reconsecrated, and Judas, who is and his brothers led in this beautiful reconsecration of the temple. Paalala na ito'y sana yung ating gawin, yung pabalalin natin, ibalik natin sa tamang landas ang simbahan, tayong mga tao sa pagpapakabanal. And so, to be holy means to really consecrate ourselves to the Lord, which goes to mean we have to dedicate our lives to the Lord. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.